Me don't want a friend from you. Friend that's somebody I look for fuck. Since you never know, you know go fuck me.
Dirty bad mind, but me do you so. Be a negative, you just.
Please, what do I need? Please, subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg in the name of God.
This is Tony Curtis, representative for Sick Up Your Music, the real music, you hear me? Big up on yourself, Sick Up Your, I go around the world. Blessed love, Tony Curtis has said that. Rolling, poof!
Oh, me not study you, Danny.
If you have strokes, you collapse over me. You study about me. Now you part long time together. Long time sight done, you know.
What you say a while ago?
Now you part long time together. Long time sight done.
Fix up your argument.
Me not fix up nothing with you. Me not fix up nothing together.
Me and you be together before?
Yes, we used to work on
I do it.
Over sight with the work. I will part long time and gone.
No man.
So, you hear me son, man.
I made it make you come aside.
You hear me son, man. I go like you. That's an argument for me, man. You hear me son, man.
Hey.
You part together long time over 5
Me
years.
and you never be together.
Who tell you that?
When?
Me never work
Me
on
never
that.
sleep.
Oh, I say that.
So you come tell me about together.
Anyway, a long time we part together.
We never together.
You understand?
And we never be together.
Man. So you take your time and admire me.
What about you? What me no know?
I don't know. You try to find out that.
Me know everything about you.
You know about me, man.
You want bet?
Yeah, bet. Talk.
Wait till me finish it. Oh, just wait.
You don't know about me. May you go to school together?
Yes.
May I sleep in one bed?
Me and you go to school.
May you go to school
That's
together?
alright. You used to go to same school
You know
then.
about that?
Where school name?
Up a Springman.
Bad prayer coming from them tongue. Life is a sign. Fight the fight like Tyson. Me jeans, me I go for that. Yeah. Life is a sign.
This sometimes change. When man grow up and get the whole and thing there, whole of thing change in a man life. Men and grow together for 40 years, you come up to 50 or 60
So you
years.
do different things now?
Of course I do.
Remember so one time in the
Me remain the same as one when you didn't know me, you know.
Well, that me I have to do when smaddy, I have to catch a fish.
So what kind of something you left go do so?
That you don't know, figure out that.
You make more money,
No, no money.
you have more girls.
No money, no money, no girl.
Wow.
We just mature, we just mature different from you.
Oh, mature.
I mean, I'm mature. You know when you're mature?
Oh, mature. Me no know. No. Me no know what you mean.
It's a finish with the teacher.
Oh, you mean more mature?
You want like to open up. I've been not going like you in an argument with me.
So since you get big now, you fool or you wise?
Me wiser. Me wiser.
You know, look so to me, look like you get fool and a bum.
Well, me that's the same thing about you too. You get fool, you get worse than fool.
And I'm a wise, yo.
You can't wise me up.
Not try fool the crowd, you know. Not try fool, make it crowd know say me wise,
yo.
yo.
You wise me, no, because blind can't lead blind.
Me never know you're blind.
You, not me.
Your bias still in, Danny.
Oh.
Make it crowd know I'm a wise, yo.
No, man, you know what, man. I'm not about put it that way. You have to wise me up.
In what way? In every way, me wise you up.
No,
in
man.
street life. How to live a street.
I mean,
Yeah,
we grow together.
We don't have to grow together. We work 3 years at one place.
So
And that's a whole heap of lesson you get.
So what I can say?
No, yes sir, we did be together, we never be together. Yeah, we did work at one place. Yeah, we never be together, man.
Jaja, you would.
So that you did I try? I try growing me.
But no girl now.
Space big enough, man.
Space big.
Yeah, man, space big enough, man. You can't grow. I just know what now.
I'll stick up here.
See, I know that clean and
Dark
pure,
TV.
you know what I mean?
When we're there side, now care how you down. From Danny come round you, Danny come with some drama where we get you laughing or start talk. Are you with there all sad and nasty nothing? And from Danny come if I even want something where him say. Start everybody could all just start from him, you know?
Yeah, what?
Yeah,
Can't
man,
come say one foolishness.
Just one foolishness.
One foolishness.
So I don't know. I try to tell you now. Over the years, Over 5 years.
Over years, I want to star for you, no, man. I not like star in my own class, man.
Yeah.
Because anytime you see Danny Forward come,
He come with some foolishness.
come with some foolishness to kick off something, bro.
So true, you see me. So true, you see me, I know, I'm not going to have something to me.
Yeah,
I don't know, man. I sent the message to you earlier and said, a 5 year apart, we shift up. So things and time
Let the
change.
part out tight now, man.
Man, man, listen to me, I said to you,
The
man.
part out tight,
Listen,
man.
not no party or nothing, man. Because you're a bomb buckler, listen alone.
You know what day me I tell my friend them say me a no man never left. Me a woman part. So how you come? You want a woman? How the part
good
with me
friends,
and
so
you?
part, man. Me know what you're thinking, you
man,
think fuck up, man. Me no business you want, sir, man.
Me and you a friend?
Of course, I do have man.
Me want fi rise too. Fight the fight like guys too. Me jeans,
About
me
a
a
friend
go
business, brother.
That's that video.
Me want fi rise too. Fight the fight like guys too.
You have with the bomb ball, man. You go like into a face you're clever to deal with, man. But me a friend, me have as a friend. But I go fail a Facebook and girl thing.
No, it me say, brother. Me and you no kind of friend, man.
No matter, me have you as a friend. Come me see a road, man. This is my jump there. Come me see me as a friend.
alright, well,
If you want a drink, you buy a drink. Come me see me have you as a friend. Move your.
You have him, man.
Boy,
As a brother.
A brother, in the way I'm friend, brother. So we are past
A Facebook friend.
Yeah,
as a
brother.
man,
Come here, look at that same. Oh, me a friend.
You don't know.
Me
You
got
don't
same
even
blood
know what
class.
a brother is.
Me no business. Me no business.
You know what
A brother is when you make up a same blood
You're
class.
lost.
Last your bump.
You're lost in our
Me
system.
a brother. Me a friend.
No friend, me a friend.
my brother.
Me and my brother.
Brother.
Me and the same. Family of blood.
Me not run with your friend.
Me have each other, we are friends.
A one friendship me know about on a Facebook.
I just stick on Facebook.
Yeah.
You know if you use Facebook.
Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean how to use it?
Me a friend for life. That's about a brother.
Me and you no friend.
When me done
You want
Must
to
on
my brother?
Facebook. That me I tell you.
when me done chat to your friend.
Yeah.
Don't come to a conclusion.
Yeah,
You know,
man,
you know,
Jaja
one
say
side
we
go do it,
don't
I
feel
want.
No man,
Let's
never
take
go
like
pass. Never
some
go
people
pass.
talking.
Me attack him again. I attack him again. Build up a
Small saying we have free broke bread, clothes for the homeless and make sure the hungry fed. Unity and strength, so I
When you have your kids them, you know,
Yeah.
it's a stage, you know.
one to man.
You can't friend your kids them before you love them and accept them and let them know the rules and foundation of what to expect in this relationship, a father-daughter, father-son relationship. You have to do that before you friend them. Because if you friend them first, and them same one start disrespect you, the process.
Friendship, you show them.
Yeah. So,
I mean.
the brothership and that more closer than friendship. So me I distinguish it in that way to show you.
Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this, Bingy. A man a pass here every day, you know, and he yell, yo, Bingy, what go on? And boom, you not yell no one another. How me I tell you not do it for long? You not yell no one another. I'm not comfortable with it. A man not this, no man I feel good.
Yeah.
But look here, you are the same brother when me I tell you now, pass and I yell, you know. And you say, I look a virgin, your friend. Him draw closer to you now. Where you and him now cook out a one pot, you say, and you say, yo, I'm a friend this. You know, so most time you start get something man, so something from him now.
Yeah. Because sometimes it is more beneficial. It is more beneficial, you know, to have associates than friends, you know.
True.
You get to me a forward from.
Sure.
It is more beneficial to have associates
Yes.
than friends.
Yes.
Because your associates not have no expectation of you.
Yeah.
You're just associating because of common purposes, reasons. Maybe you're in some business together, so you have to deal with this man because you and him do business.
Yeah.
And based on a business relationship, everything's straight.
Good.
So no other friendship now have to introduce to that, because if you introduce the friendship to that, you them send up mixed friend and business.
Yeah.
Same way so it's better, it's beneficial most of the time to be associates to a person than being friends.
Friend where you and him a charge you like when you just a tap ordinary and you feel like you beg him a money, you give him a money and give her money and you know share things.
Yeah.
If you ever try cross that, you know,
You will mess up, you know.
just try cross that and see what happens.
You will mess up, man.
And just tell yourself, so well, a time now, a friend and loving making now, and see what jealousy come in now, you know.
Yes.
All when you could have give mama $1,000 to drink a beer, you can't give him that now.
Yeah, we are past
You
this.
can't
you
give
give more than
we
that.
past this, brother.
Yeah, man.
You understand me?
The man where you say a friend with more ready to hurt you than the man where you say is your associate.
So now him and the man Bingy where you and him. I him and man, you know.
Because him know more about you than your associate.
Here one now Bingy. Remember, you know, when time him did a pass, you know, him just know you as yo Bingy, you know. But now, you know, you and him cook a pot, you know. And him a come back, oh man, I'm 10 dumplings over there. And him know something now. You see me? We can tell you. You understand that it causes feelings now.
Experience teaches wisdom, you know. So sometimes some people have to go through certain things to learn them things, you know.
Yeah, man.
Sometimes you can't really tell a man this or tell a person this and him grasp it, you know.
True.
Experience teaches wisdom. You have to live it and go through it and face it. If you know, say, so the thing said. Yeah, in a real life.
Come drop off something Johnny around so. So yo, this go for you. When the word brother, your blood brother, oh you spell, oh that, oh you pronounce that, oh you spell that, your brother. We not talk about the word, the people are gonna talk about brother. Your blood brother, oh you spell it, oh you spell it.
BROTHER, brother.
Brother,
Yeah,
right?
Yes, what that way.
Fine. So like, me just ask you. So the next word no like where? What else? I go say. Me no know about that word. I go say. Brother. Oh, you spell that one.
You spell it the same way.
No, don't. My brains.
Of course, you spell it the same way. One word have many different definitions, you know.
So,
you get to
hold on.
See your money drop there.
Yeah. So it's all you perceive it. We're not talking about.
So anyway,
we're not talking about a
fine.
bloodline.
No. I know,
Yeah.
but fine. When them talk about DOG, that's dog, right? And then you hear some guy talk a grown up about that's my dog. It's a two different ways, right? DOG and DOWG, right? Okay, fine. So me just bring that argument because me hear some parents, some mother, me ain't my mother, but them are for them kids. I come send them kids go to the shop and send them kids go over the shop. And them say, them take the kids take a while to come back. And them say, brother, look how long me send you out. I'm talking about 10-year-old, 9-year-old, 8-year-old, 12-year-old, male and female. And when they come back, the mother said to them, brother, look how long me send you. Oh, you deal with that. No, hold on. Me I talk to the professor. Oh, you think that's a good thing?
Well, for them, concept of brother is just a slang that to them. It just become a slang.
So if this a man you have to understand, me know where I go against you know. A brother we say to the world. You understand me? So if me come and say,
yo,
Carly say we are brother from one mother then. Cause so you look at it as brother like that. And that alone you look at as brother. You think me I go call you Johnny?
The new slang.
You think me I go call you Johnny as a brother?
I'm not asking you to call me that. But
Right.
what I'm saying to you, the new slang will
But
come
when
in
me
with
say
you.
brother, you want more if you understand that?
Yeah, man, because
I need more.
Just may have a conversation.
Because
I
you want
need
me
more
to say
about that.
Danny?
No,
No,
because
No, you want me to say Danny?
Yes, hold on. Yes, sir, brother. I'm Mr. Friend. You have to go say me a glad friend and brother. Me have a reason why I say that to you, you know.
Everybody have a reason for everything with them do
hold on,
and say.
me tell you, this a come from way back when, you know.
Hey.
When you should not say if me and your brother, you should have me on a wing. You never have me on your wing. You never have me on your wing, you know.
Me look like bird. And me a play. So you don't want to be under my wing? You don't want to be under my wing?
Right now,
Hey.
of course, I don't be on my wing, because you're the teacher, but I said time when me I look for you up to you, you have me on your wing, you never have me on your wing.
No, me never
That's
need
like
you
a bird.
under my wing.
Of course.
What you want to do under my wing?
I mean, you never get inspiration and learn from you.
Sign again, no. 3 years.
Give me 3 years.
3 years for one side.
Run on
All
the
you have to
pussy hole.
learn, man.
Hard to learn.
You under my wing.
No come to me. What me ask
Alright,
you?
hold
This
on.
is what me ask. That come from me heart. This is what me ask.
Yeah,
When me
me
do
hear
one
that.
on your wing, you never have me on your flat wing.
Why make me never under my wing? Because me no need you under my wing.
But no, you can talk about with a brother love.
So look how much brother me have in the world and me no need them under. Me no need them under my wing. I know me no tell you about brother love, you know.
But you with a brother love.
I know me not give a brother love
Friend,
you.
Mr. Brother.
What you do? What you say though?
Friend, no brother, friend.
Me no want a friend from you. Friend that's somebody I look for fuck. Since you never know, you know go fuck me.
Friend,
Friend, fuck friend. Yeah.
That go for you, cause you...
Me and you Me and you is no friend. So you know go
Yeah.
do that to me.
Wait, Johnny, wait.
with Johnny.
Where's it now?
So you want to know. We go back there so where Johnny did say to Bingy say about
Mother call son,
and them thing there.
brother.
And that. Alright, watch you now.
At the slang where
Look
mother
here
get
now.
to me.
Hello.
Look here. Not for we you know. Look on this. When I miss the party, I must cover back where you say. Watch ya. Not for we every day we get up. We have all this them beautiful woman in front of we and with the yarn. Real good. And them a say something here we. Yeah man. Yeah man. Jamaican way brother so we talk. So when time the kid come back from shop I say brother look how long me send you out and you know make a difference you know. Jamaican have
Because this one has to know. You say children are too young to grasp that fullness we as big man. When I hear a big man call a big man, refer to a big man as brother, it's more sentimental. And when a youth say it, them just say it for slangs nowadays. So you have to use that because them not really reach that maturity stage where them can understand the real essence of love and brotherly thing. Yeah.
No,
But when a big man, me look you know as a big man and say, Johnny, you're my brother.
Yeah.
Yes, my brother. I mean it from my heart because I'm a big man and you're supposed to take it that way
I
too.
probably don't understand what you say.
Just like Danny.
Oh, you think me? You think me a Danny in a 6 box? No, don't play the man. No.
Just like Danny.
No. If you remember what they say now.
Yeah.
You have parents. I'm talking about parents. We're not talking about people say when me know.
Yes, sir, brother.
Them send them little 9-year-old to the shop.
Yes.
And she out there around with her next friend them. When she come back, she has said the mother said to the 9-year-old baby said, brother, where is so long?
Yeah,
Whether male or female,
Yeah.
brother, where is so long? Me no see that. Me no see that.
But-
Me no see that. Me no matter what you want.
But me ask you something.
Them, hold on. You see them new slang there?
Yeah.
Them new slang there? Me not in it. Cause you know where that lead to? You all of them mixed up and them same.
No,
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that.
No, why me gonna ask you now? You know? Listen this.
Ask what you want
I
ask
tell
me.
you something now. You know?
Tell what you
Look
want
here
tell
now.
me.
I'm why you listen
Can
to
you
this.
come go like you respond to this
No,
universe?
me no response to you.
You didn't know,
Hold
on. What I tell you,